Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, let me show you how you can change server in Legend of Mushroom. So all you have to do is go to your profile, which is located at the top left of your game screen. After that, click on your profile again. While you are in the profile tab, click select server. As you can see, you can choose any server you want, like China, Thailand, or any other server and SEA. Since we are on the Southeast Asia server, or SEA, after you choose any server, the game will restart and you're on a new server. Remember, you can bring your progress to a new server, and that's basically it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.